Terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals live on land. The majority breathe in oxygen from the air through lungs. Some animals, like squirrels, live most of the time in trees and swing from branch to branch. Birds, bats, and most insects fly using their wings. Many animals walk about, run, and jump using their legs. Many small animals live in tunnels underground. Snakes haven't got legs, so they slither. Terrestrial animals need to drink water. Terrestrial animals live on land. The majority breathe in oxygen from the air through lungs. Most animals walk about, but others jump, fly, slither, or swing from branch to branch.